So here, as usual, go to File, New, Project, Glut project. Here you need to select Glut project, guys. Here it is going to ask create a new project. Glut project. Glut graphics user graphics library utility toolkit project. So give the name. Let me give it as first program, first lab program. This is the first lab program called as Sierpinski gasket. So it is going to ask for the location where to store. Let me finish this one. And coming to this one, I'm supposed to select sources, main CPP, and a program will be there. So what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to paste it there. Control A, Control V. Okay. Manoj, in that you while doing that program, Sierpinski gasket program, I think you got some errors. That is, that error can be debugged, man. Manoj, instead of void main, you can give int main. Instead of void main, you can give int main, and you can give return 0 at the end. I will do the same thing. Okay. So let me paste this program here. Okay. So I need to make some mistakes, some changes in the from the manual. First, I need to remove this header file. Next, to explain this program, I will use reverse engineering. From the output, I will explain to you people the program. Int main and return 0. Manoj, ಇದು ಮಾಡ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? For all the programs, you will get return 0. So, okay. After done, go to build the program. No errors are there. Run the program. Number of divisions I will give 4. For basic one, I will give 1 only. Guys, if you see this one, when did you start recording someone? You have done a good job. From the starting on the 5 minutes before record ಮಾಡಿದ್ರನಾ?
ಕೋಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗದ ಮಾಡಿ.
Very good, Kandra. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಯಸ್ಸಾಯ್ತು, we may forget. At least important classes record ಮಾಡ್ರ. If not the classes where we have taken casually. Some 10 to 15 classes we have taken seriously. Those classes you record. Even the lab also, this one. Lab recording ಮಾಡಿ. If I have not done, you do that one. It will be benefited for you only. Coming to this one, code blocks. Now, let us see the output. Number of divisions 2. Number of divisions 1. So guys, to get this as the output, what I'm supposed to do? To get this as the output, what I'm supposed to do? ನೋಡಿರೆ Sierpinski gasket. This gives a better explanation. First, what we are supposed to do? We are supposed to build a triangle. Next, this is 1 divisions. This is 2 divisions. This is 3 divisions. This is 4 divisions. Did people understand from this diagram? ಇದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Step 1 triangle. Step 2 1 division. Here 2 divisions. Earlier 1 division and these 3 1 division. This one 1 division, 2 division, 3 division. Did you understand this diagram? Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Did you understand step 1, 2, 3, 4? Reply yes or no.
Sir.
Others, Kaif, Mahima, Navyashri, Unnati, Karthik.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us say 2 divisions in this program only build. Run. Number of divisions 2. Did the 2 divisions occur? Yes, 2 divisions has occurred. Let me see the 3 divisions. Three divisions here. You can get the 3 divisions. Next up. 4. See here. This is the first program what you people are going to study in the lab. Guys, this is the first program what we are going to see. To do this one, first what I'm supposed to do? First what I'm supposed to do is I'm supposed to draw a tetrahedron. Correct? First, am I supposed to do a tetrahedron or what? Kaif. First what we are supposed to do is everyone respond hi or everyone respond 1. Everyone respond 1.
Sir, chat option disabled, sir.
Okay. Everyone reply with voice only. Hi and Teddy. Did you people join to the team link? Guys.
Yes, sir.
I have shared the team link as well as the meeting link. Did you join to the first team link?
You have to accept, sir.
Hmm?
You have to accept admit for a team.
Where it will be? Do you people know where it will be?
We have sent request, sir. You should accept it. Okay, I will go through that one. ಇರಿ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನೋಡೋಣ. Where it will be, man? Pending request, Okay, accept all. Good, guys. One second. ಒಂದು 2 minutes time ಕೊಡಿ. Okay, I'll do this one later. It's not so busy. Yeah, it's not so important. Guys, see here, guys. First, what we're supposed to do in this program is first
Guys, guys, if you see this one, this tetrahedron, it is having how many sides? Reply through voice. The tetrahedron had how many sides? 1 second, guys. ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Four, sir.
Only these many people have sent the request. Others send the request, guys. Alex. हाँ
6 sides.
कैसा भाई? इधर कितना कलर है देखो.
4, sir.
4, sir.
See here. 1 division ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. See guys, for this tetrahedron, there are 3 sides which are visible. Below the base is also one of the side, right? Below one
Yes,
is
sir.
also one of the side, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
3 sides visible. 4th one is the base. That's also a triangle only, right? So first what we are supposed to do is we are supposed to, okay, each face of a tetrahedron has how many vertices? ಇವಾಗ ಇದಾದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ each side of a tetrahedron has how many vertices?
3.
Others?
3, sir.
Others? Only 10 people are there. I think the same people.
Sir, it's better you add everyone.
I will add man. I don't have time of morning. I was busy. I will add this one first, just for your urgency. I did like that. Otherwise, I will add. That's my duty. I will do. How many sides? How many vertices that a face? One side of a tetrahedron has how many vertices?
3, sir.
3. Others? 3. Next, how can I get? Okay, I'm going to select one side of a tetrahedron. How will I get the midpoint of the tetrahedron? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಔಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ? 1. How will I get this midpoint here, where I am pointing the mouse? How will I get this midpoint? How will I get this midpoint? How will I get this midpoint? Or how will I get this midpoint? Or how will I get this midpoint? Or how will I get this midpoint? Hey, if this is A and this is B, A plus B divided by 2, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ? Yes or no? If this is A and this is B, A plus B divided by 2, will I get it here or not?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Will I get the midpoint or not? Jivan,
sir.
you responded. Good. Length divided by 2. ಅಥವಾ A plus B divided by 2. Okay. So next let us see. See here first. We have the 4 sides of a tetrahedron. We should give the pixel values 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 sides are visible. See here. For one side, 3 vertices are visible. A, B, C. For one side, 3 vertices are visible. We are going to take it as A, B, C. Next, I'm going to divide that one. A plus B divided by 2, A plus C divided by 2, C plus B divided by 2. A plus B divided by 2, A plus B divided by 2, A plus C divided by 2, and C plus B divided by 2. And next, I'm supposed to assign color, guys. You'll note really. If I give all, I go through this one. This is very important. You'll note in an red color change martine. Previously, we used to get different colors, right? RGB colors. Now let us see what colors I'm going to get. 0.0, 1.0. Now the output will be in red color, guys. Now the output will be in red color because I am assigning the red color to all the vertices, all the sides. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ I have assigned everything to 1 1 1 1. So I will be getting in red color. Build. Here, now everything I got in red color. And why I got in black color? I got it black color because it is 0, 0, 0, 0. If I change it to y 1, 1, let me see. Now I got it in white color. Lay. Respond. Did you people get to know why I got in red color and earlier why I got in black color and why I got in white color now?
Yes, sir.
Triple S if you have got. Manoj ಆಯ್ತು, ಬಶ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಗುಡ್ಡಮ್ಮ, ಮಹಿಮಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಬಶ್ಯಾಮ್, 5 people. ಜೀವನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಗುಡ್. ನಿಜ ಕಣ್ರು, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಚೆಕ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡೋಣ, ಏನಾದ್ರು RGB ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇರಪ್ಪ. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಿಮ್ ಡೌಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ? ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರು ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಏನೇನು ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ನೋಡೋಣ ಇರಪ್ಪ. Let me check. I have changed the colors. Now it won't be red color or it won't be green color. It will be mixture of colors. ನೋಡೋಣ ಏನು ಕಲರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅದು. ನನಗಂತೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. I don't know exactly, but let me check. Once I get the output only I can do. Build. No errors. Run. Here I'll be getting the output in this color because why is one face I have given it as green color, one face I have given it as purple, one face I have given it as yellow. You'll ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ first the green ಹಾಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ. This one I have given it as green only. This I have given it as purple. ರೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಪಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಡ್ ಮತ್ತೆ RGB, ರೆಡ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ಅದೇನೋ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. That changes you need to do, much of the changes you need to do. Apart from that, IML plus, next to void. So load identity matrix irutte. So let us skip this void reshape function. Let us go through the functions what we have seen. Int argc argv, argument count and argument vector. Number of divisions ಅಂತ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. It is asking how many divisions. I am giving 2, 3, 4 divisions I have given. So let us create a window. 3D gasket ಬದಲು 3D gas dash DSA FAD FAD HAGG. Let me check whether I will get this as the output or not in my screen. Build. Run. Number of divisions to Nasir. 3D gas, DSA, FAD, HAG, gasket. Did you get the name of the window? (3D gas, DSA, FAD, HAG, gasket. These things we have seen in the class, guys. Reshape ಆಯ್ತು, window ಆಯ್ತು, clear color. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.0 ಇರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1.0 ಮಾಡೋಣ. Let me check what happens. Let me close this one. Close this one. Okay, like this you need to make the changes, guys. See guys, this is the one of the program 3D certificate gasket easy agide. Only thing is you need to try, guys. You need to put your effort. Code blocks only we need to install. Try to search in Google. Hey, swear I did not take anyone's help. Swear I did not take anyone's help. If you want, you can ask your any of the non-teaching faculty. I searched in YouTube. Okay, and I have done this one. Turbo C, it will run. The same program will run into your Turbo C also. This one, Dev C++ also. The same program will work in U1 code blocks also. Only thing is you need to put your effort. Let me see if anyone is in the lobby. Only 29 people are there. Okay, Monday ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ. Hey, guys, did you people understand at least 1%? At least the theory ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ವಿಂಡೋನ ರೀನೇಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅಸೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್, RGB ಕಲರ್ಸ್, ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ. Did you people understand that one? Monica ಆಯ್ತು, ಬಶ್ಯಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು, ಮನ್ಸೂರ್. ಎಲ್ಲೋದ್ಯಾ ಮನೋಜ್, ಕಾವ್ಯ, ಮೋನಿಕಾ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಮ್ಮ. At least my intention is Manoj, Kavya, Mansoor. At least if some 5 to 10 people can understand or know the process, at least Irre, Monica, Basham, Mansoor, Kavya, Manoj, Kaifa. Manoj, I think he has done. Manoj, ಈ program type ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನೀನು WhatsApp ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ. ಇರೋ ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ಮೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್. ನಿನಗೊಂದು ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You execute that program in Dev C++ and check whether it is running or not. ಇರು ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. Manoj, ಕಳಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಿನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. You check this one and let me know whether it's working or not. Okay guys, if you are done you can leave. That's it. Hey, Sumna, don't waste your time. Practice. One more thing, last thing guys. It will be offline exams. Last time, nothing more. Enjoy. It will be I'm practicing to remind you daily. Manoj, program idರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ರಜಾ.
Okay, sir.
You execute this one and reply Manoj.